In today's episode, we explore some breakthrough news that has many excited about the possibility that XRP will be the digital currency of the future in Europe. The European Union then consented to set the value of XRP at an astounding $60,000. The goal of this activity is to expedite the enormous number of transactions that are anticipated. The topic of discussion today is this channel and XRP, a digital asset that many of us regular investors may already be aware of. To put it simply, XRP has the potential to replace the euro in the digital sphere and, more intriguingly, to operate as the basis for all transactions involving the euro and other virtual currencies. Before discussing the amazing updates for today, I urgently need your help. Please let us know how much you value our articles. Hit the like button hard, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to join our incredible community. Ripple Labs founder Chris Larsen explained this revolutionary idea. Chris Larsen made it clear that XRP will serve as the bridge currency indefinitely. You don't have to move to a new digital currency to utilize Ripple's XRP as a conduit for any kind of currency, including dollars, yen, or euros, thanks to its versatility. Imagine easily converting a digital euro into XRP and back into USD for these kinds of transactions. This episode covers a lot of ground, including the French central bank's support of XRP as the go-to platform. That bridge is called XRP. We're covering all of this fascinating news, including Forbes' potential $660,000 price estimate for XRP and the Digital Euro Association's endorsement of Ripple. Now let's get into the specifics. You might consider Bitcoin to be a way to hold value because its goal was to establish an entirely new form of money independent of a central bank. Because Ripple uses the same revolutionary technology to establish a value web or value exchange that isn't dependent on currency, you don't need to embrace a new virtual currency. It works with both dollars and euros. The process of implementing the digital euro is moving along much more quickly than it has in the past, especially with the help of Ripple. We have added Yuan Real, a math-based money, to Ripple. It functions as an enabler and is comparable to Bitcoin. Because of this, we think the majority of people will swap their current valuables, such as dollars, euros, or yen, using Ripple. Less than 3 days ago, a breakthrough in software development happened. With INAV, digital euro transactions may be completed offline on modern devices, guaranteeing accessibility for all. This development demonstrates how near the digital euro is to be a reality, with Ripple Labs being a major contributor to its development. The Digital Euro Association has recognized Ripple for its work in light of this breakthrough. In the midst of all of this, XRP has started to exhibit odd price fluctuations. Investors, enthusiasts, and ERS are all taking notice of these moves as they occur alongside the developments in the digital euro and Ripple's notable involvement. There has been a lot of discussion about the recent anomalies in XRP's pricing, with many people guessing that these aren't merely mistakes. Some believe that the XRP ledger's growing volume and activity are the cause of these large price hikes. XRP surged to an incredible $42.44 in only 3 days, marking the third largest rise in the company's history. There is a well-known local figure named Jack the Ripper. Jack the Ripper explained this incident by mentioning that XRP's price went up. With the introduction of a new competitor, the cryptocurrency trading fund token experienced one of the most unexpected fluctuations, increasing to $267 and surpassing $5,000. The most important token, the XRP ledger, shot to the top of the cryptocurrency market in just 6 days following its launch. For those who are unfamiliar, this is the most crucial token. This XRP ledger popularity spike happens ahead of its eagerly awaited official launch in less than 72 hours. With a 120 million token supply cap, now is a great time for early investors to take advantage of the pre-sale period. This deficit raises the possibility of a supply shock following the pre-sale, as Jack had previously mentioned. The waves warned that while some may brush this off as just another problem, there may be a significant chance of creating new billionaires. They projected that prices may soon increase to above $267 US. But we can't stress enough how important it is that you carry out your study. The things that are happening draw attention to a very clear message. Since the playing field is shifting, this is the time to act. For this reason, Forbes' estimate that the value of XRP is approximately $60,000 was not shocking. This is particularly true in light of the XRP ledger's continuously increasing volume. Analyze the mechanics of any petrol transaction on the XRP ledger, including buying, selling, and transferring. Fees specific to the XRP ecosystem exist. Because of these costs, XRP tokens are burned, which lowers the amount of XRP that is available. In this instance, there is a growing market for XRP. Because of XRP's usefulness, governments, financial institutions, and central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are embracing it more and more. The XRPL ledger is being used by an increasing number of businesses, including the crypto trading fund, since it offers far lower fuel expenses than other blockchains. When the ledger is used widely, a large amount of XRP is burned to pay for gas. Because of the burn-off, demand for XRP increases dramatically relative to its decreasing supply, driving up the price of each token. Put otherwise, what we're seeing is the potential for a sharp rise in XRP's value, a trend that, as it continues, emphasizes the more general anticipation that XRP will hit the remarkable $660,000 barrier. This anticipated figure highlights the critical position that XRP plays in the dynamic landscape of digital banking. It is the convergence of strategic scarcity, utility, and demand, not just a number. Anticipating the future, the intriguing XRP tale suggests that investing at this time could be a wise choice. For those seeking to capitalize on its anticipated increase, this would be a prudent choice. Recall that these movies are just for your amusement, and I do not advise financial matters on behalf of LICED. I constantly advise viewers that before making any financial decisions, they should conduct independent research and consult with professionals. Many gratitude. Kindly consider giving the video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed it. Ensure that the alerts are turned on. Notifications are sent to you as soon as I post new content. I'm excited to watch you in the upcoming video. Be careful.